One of the benefits that comes with working in the digital space is the ability to track everything you are doing. This helps when measuring your current performance and setting goals. Things worth tracking on your website or social platform include traffic, engagement, messages, installs, video views, leads and sales. This can help when you set certain goals. By deciding what targets you want to hit or where you want to see increases, you can clearly measure the success of your strategies. A way to help you plan these goals is by using the SMART goals method. The SMART in SMART goals stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. You can use these parameters to make concise plans to meet your goals and track progress using Facebook pixel tracking. What is pixel? The metapixel is a code that you put on your website that allows you to track what people are clicking on or doing when visiting. Facebook Meta Business Suite offers a tracking code that can be embedded into your website, which sends data into Facebook to measure the traffic, engagement and stay time of customers on your website. This information can be used to build audiences, marketing campaigns, and give you an accurate insight into who your audience is, so you can make sure that your ads are shown to the right people. Better understand the impact of your ads by measuring what happens when people see them. This can help. Whether your goal is to find new customers or people who have visited a specific page or taken a desired action on your website, drive more sales, set up call to auction opportunities, or measure the results of your ads. To set up the metapixel, go to Events Manager, click Connect Data Sources and select Web. Add your pixel name, website URL to check for easy setup options and click Continue. Select Metapixel and click Connect. Once you've created your metapixel, you're ready to put the pixel code on your website. Click the Data Sources icon on the left-hand side of your page. Select the pixel that you want to set up. Click Continue Pixel Setup. Select Metapixel and click Connect. Select Install Code manually. Copy the pixel base code and find the header of your website. Or locate the header template in your CMS or web platform. Paste the base code at the bottom of your header section, just above the closing head tag, and click Continue. Once you've set up the metapixel, the pixel will log when someone takes an action on your website. Examples of actions include adding an item to their shopping basket or making a purchase. The metapixel receives these actions or events, which you can view on your metapixel page in Events Manager. From there, you'll be able to see the actions that your customers take. You'll also have options to reach those customers again through future Facebook ads. A custom audience is an ad targeting option that lets you find your existing audiences among people who are on Facebook. You can use sources such as customer lists, website or app traffic, or engagement on Facebook to create custom audiences of people who already know your business. When you're ready to grow your business, you can use customer audiences to create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audiences are lists of people to target with advertising, who are similar to the people currently engaging with your business. After you've added the metapixel base code to your website, you can set up events to make sure the actions that you care about, such as making a purchase. You can do this by manually installing the code or by using the point and click event setup tool to get the benefits of these tools. Be consistent in tracking your metrics. Clicks, impressions and frequency come with questions like, how much is the click costing me? How many people am I reaching? How many people visited? Is my ad performing? Am I getting a good return on ad spend? Consistently tracking these metrics will tell you whether your advertising spend is attracting people to your website. Whether these visitors become customers, the amount you spend on each conversation, the impact of your ad spend on the total revenue. Facebook pixel data helps ensure your ads are seen by the people who are the most likely to take your desired action. This allows you to improve your Facebook ad, conversion rate, and get better return on investment. Even if you're not using Facebook or Instagram ads yet, it's worth considering installing the Facebook pixel sooner rather than later.